In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Remote Play lag the best and most reliable way. Whether you're trying to stream your favorite game to another device or you simply want smoother performance with no annoying stutters, this quick step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Steam app and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the top left corner and click on the option labeled Steam. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. Now, on the left sidebar, find and click on Remote Play. This is where we'll make the key adjustments to reduce lag and improve your streaming quality. Next, look for the setting that says Allow Direct Connection. Click the drop-down next to it and set it to Automatic. This lets Steam find the most stable and direct route between your devices, cutting down on unnecessary delay. Then, scroll down a bit and enable the option Advanced Host Options. You'll see a few new settings appear, don't worry, it's easy to configure. Under these advanced options, make sure to toggle on Enable Hardware Encoding. This uses your GPU to handle the stream, making gameplay much smoother. Also, turn on Prioritize Network Traffic. This tells Steam to give your streaming session the highest priority for data transfer, helping reduce lag spikes. Now move to the Advanced Client Options section. Click on the drop-down under Video and set it to Fast. This slightly lowers visual effects but dramatically boosts performance. Then, under Bandwidth Limit, click the drop-down. If you've got a strong internet connection, select Unlimited. Otherwise, Automatic is a safe choice. You can also limit resolution if needed, which helps maintain steady performance during weaker connections. Finally, toggle on Hardware Decoding. This allows your receiving device to process the stream faster and more efficiently. Once all these options are set, click Apply, and you're done. After applying these changes, try reconnecting your remote play session. You should instantly notice smoother performance, quicker response time, and far less lag overall. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix Steam Remote Play lag easily and enjoy seamless game streaming between your devices. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.